we are going to learn about value notifier and how we will use them in our application. But before that, here is our example that is having two buttons to change the container color, because currently it is red, and if we click it blue, it will change to blue. But we have used setState here to show why we don't use setState and what's the drawback. So if we change to red, it is working fine. But the issue here, if we print here, so now if we change it to red color, so the build is getting printed. That means the build is getting called whenever we call setState on red button or blue button. So we don't want this scenario in our application, because it will degrade the application performance. So we will avoid using setState, and instead of that we will use ValueNotifier, and we'll check how it is helpful and how the same functionality we can get without refreshing the whole widget. So let's first make a ValueNotifier, and we will set the default color to initial color to red, container color. Okay. And we want only this container background to be revealed. So we will wrap this with a builder, that is ValueListenableBuilder, and it will be of type color, and it will listen to that container color that we have defined. There, so we will remove this, and the builder having three parameters. One is content, the other one is the whatever changes the container color have, that value we will get here. So container color value, container color value, and the third one is unrevealed widget. If revealed, we will see how we will use this, but before that we will see how this container color will help in our scenario. And instead of setState, we will use container color dot value. So it's a value notifier that we have already defined, and if we want to access the value of that container color, we have to call dot value on that value notifier, and then we will set, or we will get value of that notifier. So here we will set it to red, and the same we will do it with the blue color. So we will set it to blue here. Currently it is before it was of color type, but we have defined it as a value notifier. That's why we are getting this issue, this error. So we will restart the application. Yeah, we are getting the same UI, but the widget will not be revealed, and we will see if this print statement get printed or not. So let's clear the logs here and check. If we click blue, we are not getting that revealed print, but we are the background of container is getting changed. The same is with red button also. And let's check if what is the use of this third parameter, that is child or unrevealed child. So here, if we see here the text widget is not getting changed with the value notifier, but it is getting refreshed because it is under value notifier only, and we don't want to reveal this as well. So what we will do, we will call this unrevealed widget here, and inside value notifier we also have child widget. We will have that text widget here. So this will not get revealed whenever the value notifier container color will get changed. This text widget will not be refreshed. And take care whenever we use stateful, it contains some state. The value notifier itself having a state, so we need to dispose that.